Okay, this is like attempt 47 at trying to do this question. Lola is here as well to help. I had to ask her after I started finding the mass of the wrong element, but it's fine. So we have an equation up here. There's 2 sodiums, 2 moles of sodium and 1 mole of chlorine, which makes 2 moles of sodium chlorine. I don't know what that's supposed to be called, but we're going to call it sodium chlorine. And so it says, calculate the mass of chlorine needed to fully react 430 milligrams of sodium. And it's going to give you like the thingies here. And if it doesn't, just go to the periodic table. So, first of all, I turned milligrams to grams because, I don't know why, but we did. And we got 0.43 grams because it was 430 divided by 1,000. And that's the answer. And then, spoilers, we have this equation, which is what everything is kind of like based off of. So first of all, we have the mass of sodium. And in order to find the N, oh my God, I'm shedding hairs. In order to find the N, we need to do the mass divided by the MR. And I don't know what N is, but we need it. Okay, it's like, don't worry about it because I don't know what it means, but we're going to find it. So we need to do, Lola, we need to do 0.43 divided by 23, and you might think, that because there's 2 here, that we're going to divide it by 46, but we're not, because we'd only divide it by 46 if sodium had a mini 2, but it's got a big 2, and that just means the number of moles, not the AR. Because that's the mistake I made in my chemistry lesson today. So it's 23, and that equals, we'll do it on the calculator, unless you want to do it in your head, but I wouldn't recommend. We've got 0.43 divided by 23, which equals, equals 0.0187 will do. So now you've got the N of sodium. So you know everything about sodium, but you don't know everything about chlorine. And you need the mass of chlorine. So the N is, the N is going to be used in a ratio. Oh, so N means number of moles. That's what it means. Okay, so we've got a ratio of 2 to 1. So we need to divide this by 2 because there's 2 sodiums and 1 chlorine. So we're going to do 0.018, 7 divided by 2. And we're going to do it on the calculator. So that was answer divided by 2. And that gives us, was that right? Probs. 0.00935. So now we can find the mass of chlorine because we've got the M. No, we haven't got the M because that's what we're looking for. We've got the N and the MR, and we're going to times them together to find the mass because that's the equation rearranged. So MM equals N times MR. Lola, honestly, like, I've got it. Like, you don't need to give us any input. Basically, that is 0.009. Lola, literally stop. 935 times. What are we timesing it by? Wait, what? Oh, the MR. So 35.5 times 2 is 71. And that's going to give us, right, answer times 71 equals 0.664. So 0.664 is the mass of chlorine needed to make 430 milligrams of sodium, and that's the theoretical yield. And then you can see if it's like, girl, you can see, stop, you can see if it's like, I don't even know what I was going to say, but that is basically what you do. So thanks for that, Lola.